I go inside. Kai Soto gets denied. Kai Soto. Yes!
Marami na namang pinabilib si Kai Soto matapos tulungan ng Alpas makuha ang panalo kontra dito sa Sendai. Tara't ating saksihan ang ilang naganap sa laban.
Just about. You're gonna hear that all throughout the afternoon. Again, on the attack, the flip a little bit too high. Clemens, nice look inside. Kai Soto. Let's take a look at some of the action here. Nice position inside is Kai. Soto, that was a little bit more. First is short. The secondary break. What a pass!
Sa larong ito, grabing effort muli talaga ang ginawa ni Kai Soto kung saan almost triple-double nga ginawa nito. 10 points, 13 rebounds at 6 assists at may kasama pa nga pong 1 block yan. So ano masasabi nyo sa unti-unting pagbabalik ng orihinal na laro ni Kai?